what you're about to see and 7K tips for this tattoo style. Besides watching every step of this tattoo up close, I'll also share 7 important tips you need to know for doing tattoos in the lining style. I'll be posting a full tutorial on the stencil process and how to apply it properly very soon, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. But in this video, we're focusing on only doing this tattoo, which will help you become truly professional in this style. Number 1. The first and most basic tip is, for fine line tattoos, always stick to a 3RL needle at most. Never as a 1RL, because it's much harder to control hand tremors and the risk of ink blowout is much higher. Before we move on to the next tips, please give this video a like. It really motivates me to keep making more for you. Number 2. The question everyone always asks is, what is the appropriate needle depth for tattooing on the skin? It totally depends on the client's skin and the tattoo location, but usually the depth between 1 and 1.5 millimeters works best. However, I always try to keep the needle depth at a maximum of 1 millimeter, so it usually only needs one touch-up. But if you go too deep, it can cause ink blowout. Tip number 3. Remember to always do the line once with lighter pressure first, then go over it a second time to darken it. This way, you'll get a much better result. Stretching the skin is one of the key points for tattooing. Just like in the video, use 2 fingers from your free hand and your pinky finger from the hand holding the machine to stretch the skin. This way, you get a better view and the ink disperses properly. Number 5. If there's a mole in the area, don't tattoo over it. It can cause serious problems. Number 6. Try not to touch the areas where you haven't worked yet and only have the stencil, because the stencil can easily wipe off. And the final tip, number 7. Always use original high quality ink. It keeps your client satisfied and help you attract more of them. Triple black ink is a great choice for lining. On this channel, I share tips you need to become a professional tattoo artist, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos. And drop a comment telling me what kind of videos you'd like me to make next. That would really help you out.